Namaste. Let us continue with Sloka 36 in chapter 2. Avācya-vādāṁś bahūn vadiṣyanti tavāhitāḥ nindantas tava sāmarthyaṁ tato duḥkhataraṁ nukim. Avācya-vādāṁś bahūn vadiṣyanti tavāhitāḥ nindantas tava sāmarthyaṁ tato duḥkhataraṁ nukim. Bhagavan had started pointing out the swadharmam of Arjuna, basically the Kshatriya dharma. Kshatriyas are very proud of their bravery and valor. Let us look at an example in the Indian history of how Kshatriya bravery or valor is. We all know of Maharana Pratap, the king who never gave in to the Mughals. He lived in the hilly terrains for almost 25 years because he did not want to surrender to the Mughals. He had two children. One was a son of 4 years and another was a daughter named Champa of 11 years. Since they lived in the hilly terrains, they did not get proper food. They used to get rotis once in 2 or 3 days and it was limited. Champa, Maharana Pratap's daughter, used to save her rotis for her younger brother. As a result, she was very weak. Once, her brother was crying because he was hungry. Champa put him to sleep, and at that moment, Maharana Pratap comes. Maharana Pratap is disturbed because there was a visitor visiting them and he did not have anything to offer to eat. So when he told this, Champa told Maharana Pratap, "Father, I have saved some rotis for brother. You can give it to the visitor." So Maharana Pratap takes the roti from Champa and they offer it to the visitor. After some time, Champa falls unconscious. Lack of food had deteriorated her health. Seeing this, Maharana Pratap became very disturbed and he told, "I would rather surrender to the Mughals rather than see my children suffer like this." At that instant, Champa told Maharana Pratap, "Father, promise me that you will never surrender to Akbar." And she died at that very moment. This is the nature of a Kshatriya. Now let us look at the sloka. Avācya-vādāṁ, avācya-vādāṁ meaning words that cannot be heard or words which when told are very hurting. So such kind of words and many such words vadiṣyanti they will tell. Who will tell? Tavāhitāḥ, people who do not intend good for you or basically enemies. So all your enemies will hurl bad insults at you. Nindantas tava sāmarthyaṁ, and they will downgrade your competence or your sāmarthyaṁ, your capability. And is there anything more painful than this? Tato duḥkhataraṁ nukim. Is there anything that is more painful than this? Is what is Bhagavan asking in this sloka. Next sloka, Bhagavan concludes this section. Hato prāpsyasi svargaṁ jitvā bhokṣyase mahīm tasmād uttiṣṭha kaunteya yuddhāya kṛta-niścayaḥ. Hatah va prāpsyasi svargaṁ jitvā bhokṣyase mahīm tasmād uttiṣṭha kaunteya yuddhāya kṛta-niścayaḥ. Bhagavan concludes this section on swadharmam. Hatah, if you are killed in the war, you will reach heaven. Prāpsyasi svargaṁ, you will reach heaven. Jitvā, there can be only two results from a war. Either you win or you lose. Suppose you lose and die, you will reach heaven. Suppose you win, bhokṣyase mahīm, you will enjoy this earth. Basically, you will be ruling and enjoying everything. Tasmād, therefore, uttiṣṭha, get up. Kaunteya, Kunti putraha, therefore kaunteya, yuddhāya kṛta-niścayaḥ, determined to fight, get up, is what is Bhagavan is advising Arjuna here. We'll continue again tomorrow. Dhanyavādah.